everyone, it's nice to share our project here. We are Group 1 of ss4. In response to the post-epidemic era and soaring vegetable prices in Sydney on the open spaces of MacArthur Garden North, and based on the plan, we designed an urban agriculture community through literature review, site analysis, and social analysis. These community facilities for sustainable communities where organic farmers and different kinds of residents could build social networks based on a common ethos of nature and communal harmony.
Urban agriculture has become a new way of culture and political expression. However, urban land use planning still underestimates the potential of UA as a nature-based multifunctional solution, which enhances global sustainability and provide a variety of common interests for cities and their residents. According to research, we need to evaluate UA from three aspects: resilience, sustainability, and versatility in our design. Besides, Broadway mentions that growing food in open land can bring many environmental, social, and economic benefits. Since the late 1990s, Chicago has been promoting roof greening to improve urban air quality, save energy, and reduce urban heat island effect. In our design, we need to pay attention to the food planting and its strong impact on space and resource utilization. In 2017, Australia planted more than 1.3 million tons of potatoes for human consumption. Kenya has introduced many potato production technologies to cope with changes such as poor seed quality, water management, and high temperature. Therefore, drip irrigation is considered to be a water-saving planting method to avoid water shortage. And planting on the vertical shapes of indoor farm can grow all year round in climate-controlled facilities without being affected by the heat waves and other extreme weather, which can be applied to our design. And occupants can be established almost anywhere to make sure the production of fresh food will not be polluted by the environment, avoiding long transportation cycle and expensive transportation expenses. So in conclusion, this method can help UA to reduce the risk of failure in the community.
Through the analysis of terrain and climate in the north of MacArthur Garden, as shown in the figure, the scenery of the main entrance is very boring. There are large areas of eucalyptus and shrubs in this area that need to be protected. However, each activity site on the planning map is very scattered, so people will be bored with the repeated theme when walking. The noise mainly comes from the roads in the north, south, and east. The weather in Sydney is generally warm and suitable for the growth of many crops, but the cold wind in winter here has no shattered buildings. The above is the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of the site. Our design is committed to using its advantages to solve these problems. Sydney's climate belongs to subtropical monsoon climate. According to its characteristics, I selected plants suitable for planting here.
Australia is a multicultural country. There were lots of people from all around the world might go there and settle there. According to the data, the persons 35 to 39 years old were the largest group in 2020. Although the migration number decreased in recent years, there are still a large number of people who have different cultural backgrounds and religions who live in Campbelltown. In this case, the people who will live in MacArthur Garden North might have different dietary habits and lifestyles. In order to meet the needs of students, young professionals, families, seniors, the social analysis includes their dwelling, activity, and catering. For example, the young people prefer to go to cafes and spend time with their friends and family. Families need the picnic area, some exercise park equipment, and electric barbecues. Moreover, seniors request for a community center complete with a commercial kitchen and capacity to hold 100 people. We also need to create an inclusive community that provides a range of housing types. Furthermore, neutral views on walking and cycling should be given priority over cars and other traffic. Thus, we can do some design to improve walkability in this community. Because our theme is urban agriculture, so I also did some research about agriculture in New South Wales. It describes the crops which are planted there in different seasons and areas. There are also a variety of fruits grown in different regions.
Let's move to the design part. We have 4 zones in the project. The first zone is composed of several glass greenhouses, as shown in the rendering picture. Combined with vertical planting technology and drip irrigation technology, the greenhouses can also stably provide a large number and variety of vegetables in winter. Some crops can be cultivated without soil, which saves a lot of manpower and some pests and infection diseases. High mechanization is the main advantage of urban agriculture. What's more, the greenhouse can withstand the cold wind in winter and noise in a way.
The project too can be seen like a traditional agriculture area, because this area is beside the artificial lake, so people can use the water from this lake to irrigate the vegetable. The community center can be built beside the agriculture area that people can pick the vegetable and fruit by themselves, and commercial kitchen can help them to process the food.
The third room is a comprehensive square. There are circular benches in the middle of the square, surrounded by vegetable fields. Vegetables can be like flower beds through color matching. In the east is an open space for people to freely trade vegetables and improve the economic level and communicate to each other. The west is divided into many blocks. Residents without gardens in the apartment can rent these lands to grow their favorite crops, and children can feel the changes of the 4 seasons. The square is located at the entrance of Macau's Gardens and connected to Central Park, greenhouses, picnic places, and other places, forming a residential activity circle.
In Project 4, we designed an agricultural footpath, which explores how the pedestrian trail can become a tool for people to participate in different types of agriculture, so as to increase our appreciation of food and reduce food waste. It is a nature agriculture environment with edible landscape, interaction, fun and social networking, which also creates employment and volunteer opportunities near families.
In conclusion, agricultural landscape can't only increase the diversity and coverage of urban green, but also inherit agricultural culture and improve the quality of urban life, play an important role. In our design, the make-us now include a greenhouse area, a agricultural area, a market and a footpath to improve food shortage and environmental problem by transferring agriculture to cities.
That is the all content of our presentation. Thank you so much for your patience and listening.